Welcome back to another video, guys. It's your boy Shaba. And yes, we got the new Disney Lorcana. We're gonna do another one. We're gonna just quickly open these starter decks, get those decks going, building, and then we also got 2 more of each pack ready to open. These should come automatically set. This is what the cards are in this deck list. As you can see, we also get hollows of the covers. So without further ado, let's rip these boxes up, ruin them, destroy them, and grab our bonus pack out of here, add it to our other list. Get that out of here. Here's the set. Here's the pack. And then we got our counters and then directions in here. Same thing with this one. Our pack. Our extra bonus. Wow, both Jafars too. Interesting. Alright, so we'll run through these real quick. They're the list that we just showed. If we can get them open. So, this is our automatic hollow Pongo. And then our Peter Pan. And then it's going to be literally in order from the set list of all the cards to make the deck easier. It includes a couple rares, which is great. Lots of uncommons. These are the lands, which is nice, you know. Anybody that's looking to get started in the Lorcana, these are great starter decks to get involved in, learn how to play, make your own pre-made deck there. And then eventually, once you start hunting for the better cards, then you start adding them into your own. So we'll put that one aside. That's that first set. And then here's our other one. Alright. Our hollow of Moana. And then Scrooge McDuck. And then now we go through the set list. They made them really nice too with the artwork on these. Just really hey, he's from the other sets. So they're throwing other set cards in here besides just the Into the Inklands. And that's it. Alright. Now what we all came here for. The real deal. Let's open the 2 Jafars, see what we got going on there, and then we'll start opening these extra bonus packs that I got. See what we got going. Alright, let's just look. Maybe we get an enchanted out of these, you never know. Nobody knows. Could be anything. First pack, here we go. We got Vault Door starting us off. Eeyore, Stitch, Milo Thatch, Forbidden Mountain, Kaida, Jafar, Tiana's Palace,
Kit, Cloud Kicker. Maui, Sheriff of Nottingham. That is an ultra rare. And then our holo of Magica di Spin. At least these ones have the holos in it, you know? Alright. Last pack for the starter decks. And then we get into the ones that we bought. We got Iago, King Louis, Robin Hood, Voyage, Flotsam, Neverland, The Bayou, Scroop, Scrooge McDuck. Oh, well, there's our ultra rare. We got Starlight Vial, and then our ultra rare of Ariel. And then a holo. Oh, same holo. What are the odds of that? Well, both had the same exact holo in the starter decks, so that's what we got out of those. These are our extra packs. We're gonna start with, you know what, we'll keep the Jafar packs going. Might as well get the villains out of the way. See what we got going on here. We got Chief Tui, Milo Thatch, Strike a Good Match, the Queen, Kit Cloud Kicker, Joshua Sweet, Jafar, Simba, Jolly Roger, the Sorcerer's Hat, Simba for our ultra rare, and a Cubby for our holo. I don't know why I put the other ultra rare up there. We're looking for legendaries. And we also got the new Moana mat as well. The one that came out with the Into the Inklands. Grammatala, Nottingham, Stitch, Dawn Carnage, Forbidden Mountain, Neverland, Wildcat's Wrench, Robin Hood's Bow, Mama Odie, Peter Pan for the rare, and Bosses on the Roll. Our holo is Audrey Ramirez. Alright, Minnie Mouse time. See what we can get. Something, anything. Get these two junk ones out of the way here. We got Distract, Nottingham, Voyage, Flotsam, Stow a Gift, Cleansing Rainwater, Queen of Hearts, Wildcat, Jolly Roger, rare Audrey Ramirez, another rare Starlight Vial, and our holo is an uncommon I've Got a Dream. Alright. 3 more to go, guys. 3 more to go. Come on. Anything or anything. Let's go. We got the vault door. Eeyore. Uh-oh. This looks like a dupe pack of that one. Look at that. They're all in the same order. Bummer. Oh, the new rare, though. We got Little John. Okay. Ultra rare. Coming us on. And holo is Dalmatian Puppy. Alright, 2 piglets left. Let's go with the left one this time. Alright. Let's see what we get. We got Kaida, Della Duck, DeVille Manor, Pua, Vault Door, Patch, Nyla, Talisman, Dewey, John Silver for our rare. Come on. Maui for another rare. Holo is a common Peter Pan. Alright, folks. Last pack. Last try at something. Here we go. This is all she wrote. We are going to go for it. We have Repair starting us off. Chief Tui, Moana, Strike a Good Match, Magica de Spell, Patch, Maui, Dewey, Simba. Into the Pride Lands for our rare. We do have an ultra rare of Pongo. And then our holo Minnie Mouse rare. That is Into the Inklands Disney Lorcana. We are out. Y'all stay cool and peace.